Okay, back to Pakistan. And it looks like he most likely stepped on a Lego while sirens play. Why is both Samoa and American Samoa riding on a van? It actually looked like a truck, not a van. Oh my god, Taiwan is just like looking at the Chinese invasion in 3, 2, 1. Well, what's it gonna say? And now? Nothing happened to Taiwan. Alright, we have Lebanon, which is one of my principals from port school that I remember. I cannot remember who. Oh my god. Why are you like jumpy glitchy? Malaysia! What? Let me go back. Oh my god. Now Malaysia has returned. Oh my god. He is in a black and red background. He also has like white and blue outlines around him. And it looks like he has like large eyes and a wiggly smile. Oh my god. Mauritania, why do you sound like the Indonesian one but more drunk? Why? Morocco, why are you riding a police car? Kenya was not an imposter. Why? Did she play Among Us or something? Cook Islands, why are you scared? Oh my god, can you please stop doing that? Zimbabwe! Are you flying? That's completely fake. Are you still going? Oh, you squished. Don't tell me this is Mali or Guinea. I think it's most likely a coincidence. Hungary, why do you look like you have, like, long legs and, like, long arms? Probably because, like, he is probably scared while he is having spider legs. Why does his legs and arms look like it's wiggling like, a string? He's supposed to be having, like, having the things look normal, but he has, like, long arms and legs around him. Probably because it's like he's like a spider or something. Probably because he saw a spider. You can see it animates as well. And now it just like gets longer and longer. But it gets like really shorter. I've never seen Hungary very, very, very long. And it looks like Vatican City just like playing dumb. What, are you counting in Morse code again? Madagascar. Who the hell who do you think you're talking to? And Madagascar, why are you vibing? Bhutan, why are you whistling like that? You're not supposed to do that. North Korea, why do you have a squished face? What the? I just saw North Korea changed its color. Oh my god. Armenia! Oh my god. You can actually see Armenia shaking like crazy. Probably because he drank too much caffeine. Guyana, why are you playing a piano while you're like listening to it? What? Who was that on the rocket ship? Argentina! What are you doing on the rocket ship? Oh my god, it's gonna crash! Not actually though. If you look closely, you could see Thailand, but Cambodia is there. And then there's like another Cambodia again. Please don't be another one, please. Oh, it fade out. It just only shows Taiwan and the other one. Only for it to come back. Zambia! Have you been drinking lots and lots of caffeine lately? Czech Republic or Czechia or Czechoslovakia. Man, why are you sleeping? You're supposed to be waking up. Tuvalu, why on earth are you vibing to? You're vibing to the song, the one that I was like reacting to when SpongeBob accidentally dies and turned him into his house by that unknown character, which is Kyle. Wait, what was that? I just want to go back. I just want to go back to Tuvalu for a second. Bro, Tuvalu looks like he has like big feet. Probably because of like circles. What the? Senegal has his game? I'm just gonna press start. Start. New game. What the? It just only cuts to Cocos Islands. Suggesting it's like 10 a.m. Serbia, why are you speaking into the microphone? I do not understand what Serbia is even saying. Uzbekistan. Wow. You're dancing into some random crap there. Romania. Totally original. Never heard before EAS alarm. And it looks like America is frowning because of Romania's behavior. Romania looks sweaty a bit. Nigeria. Sorry, not you. Niger. Why are you like dancing like squished? Probably because Niger stole Nigeria's I think Niger and Nigeria's are like the same. And it looks like Algeria. Oh my god. That's a car horn. Accompanying an ambulance siren. What the? Thailand, why do you look like you have an ice cream in your hand? Oh my god. Don't tell me that's the FNAF one. It kind of reminds me of that Augie and the Cockroaches episode, which is from Season 1, Episode 78, A Night at the Opera, which, like, at the end of the episode, when Dee Dee sings the song made by George Bizet, which is known as The Cayman Suite, Loose Toreadors, along with the other cops singing it, while Augie and Jack is in jail with the piggy. What the? Who was that? I just caught something on my eye. Probably because I wasn't looking. Oh my god. Was that fire or something? Or was that just an octopus? Or was it just me? Angola, what are you doing? Angola, could you please stop having a seizure, please? You're just causing me a seizure too. Who the hell is that? That's probably a territory from the Netherlands. Oh my god, the house is on fire! Did anyone saw that bomb? Oh my god, here's Antarctica, looking very, 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 very scared. That's very loud for Argentina. Antarctica. Singapore. Tell me why. And we have the final one. Kazakhstan. And it looks like another Kazakhstan is actually on top. Well, I guess that was probably it for now. I might be reacting for some more EAS alarms, like, very, very, very in a minute, like, probably about, like, a few minutes time. I don't get, wait, I really saw an ad, probably because of the Jack died tragically ad. Well, just ignore the ad, because I will, like, unexpectedly add the ad into YouTube. Sorry about that. Anyways, see you in the next episode, which is called More EAS Alarms.